joining me on 365 nights in Accor hotels. And this is the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. Here is my suite room that I've been upgraded to as an Accor Plus Diamond member. And the very cool part about this room is not only does it have one bathroom, but for the first time I'm saying it has a second. And I'm not just talking a toilet, because there is a shower in here. There's a full shower with a rain shower there. You've got your shampoo and body wash. You do have your royal throne down here, as well as the handheld bidet. You've got your hand towels up here, as well as your towels and your mat there for your second bathroom. And then here you've got some body lotion as well as liquid soap here, and this lovely vanity basin as well. And you also have a power here, which is for what has it got here, 220, 250 volts. So yeah, it's a normal power point, so you can plug anything into that one. And a couple of face washers there. Coming through to your living room in this amazing suite, we have a nice nice sofa here. And then we have a chair there, and I've got a welcome vanity here with a letter. What have it got here? Dear Mr. Rajwell, Selamat datang to Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. We're truly delighted to welcome you back as an Accor Plus member. Valued Accor Plus member. Your continued loyalty and support means so much to us. Wishing you another comfortable and enjoyable stay with us. As always, our dedicated team is here to assist you with anything you need. Regards, Angeline, the GM of the property. And we have some very nice welcome amenities here. Check out this. We've got Mercure branded, what looks like a little crisp. We have what looks like to be like some lollies or something there. And yeah, some biscuits. Very nice. And then I also noticed over here, we've got our coffee making facilities, tea, coffee, as well as a coffee machine. Also a Malaysian plug there. We've got a bin, but in the fridge, I've got a lovely fruit platter that the team has made up for me. Very, very nice. Like I said, I've got this nice big sofa there. We've got a big 55-inch TV going through the information about the facility here. A lovely comfy little chair there, and check out this view. Level 48, Petronas Towers over there. The rain's just starting to come in, but an amazing view here in the afternoon. We've got a very skinny mirror there, but we'll go check out the rest of the room. Let's go check out the bedroom now. So this here, it's our bedroom. We start off with a full body length mirror there, very nice. I love the carpet in here as well. It's a very new property. We've got another huge TV here, another 55-inch. We have a very solid working desk here with a chair. In regards to power that's available for this desk, we do have a Malaysian plug under there. Other than that, I think that looks like about it in regards to power at the desk. Yes, it is. And in here we do have a drawer, a couple of drawers there as well. Very nice. Again, the most amazing view outside there from level 48. A little sun chair there. You can relax along that, and you've got your bed here. Now we've got the Malaysian plugs on the right here, 2 of them. So that's something I've noticed at this hotel. We haven't got the international adapters. We've got the phone there as well as the room service menu. A lovely king bed. Okay, on this side, we've got the international plug. So on the left side of the bed, here we have that international plug. 2 USB ports, which is 2.1 amp, 5 volt, and the Malaysian one there as well. Very nice. That there is our king bed and our bedroom in this incredible 53 square meter suite. Full body mirror in here. We're going to have the safety deposit box as well as the ironing board, hairdryer, slippers, and also some scales down there as well, and lots of hanging space in the cupboard. 2 aircon controls in here, so this is your second one for your bedroom, another one in the lounge room, living room. In the bathroom here, the second bathroom, we have this lovely vanity again, very, very nice. In here we've got all of our amenities, dental kits and everything, some cups, as well as there you've got the power plugger then again. Got a big bath here, lovely bathtub, very nice. And then you jump into this mammoth shower. So another rain shower there. And the thing I remember about this property is the pressure's very, very good. Body wash, shampoo there as well. Very nice. And then we've got the second royal throne there as well, with the handheld bidet hiding behind the door there. Very nice. That is our suite room here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. The other thing I want to show you is just in the second bathroom. Check this out, guys. You've also got drinking water from the tap here. So you can just use that there, and that is your drinking water. Very, very nice here at the Mercure Trion in our incredibly gorgeous suite room. We'll go check out the other rooms up next. Welcome to the superior room. This is our standard base category here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion, and gorgeous room. We've got the king bed here with the same power points that you just seen in my room. We've got the international on the left, the two USBs there, as well as the Malaysian plug, and then on the right side of bed we have the two Malaysian plugs. We've got the day bed, sofa thing here for sitting, sleeping, whatever you'd like. You have the gorgeous views out here. This is actually a different view. I actually really like this view myself. I mean, it's not the city view, but you've got the old airport here. So this is actually like an old military base. Very, very cool. So I'm sure there's a lot of history around this, but yeah, very cool. I really do enjoy this view as an aviation fan. And then you've got also the cemetery here as well. So this is from the old days. It's no longer in use, but a very cool view here. This is on the 48th floor. So very nice superior room. Gorgeous for a standard room category. I love the designs. The artwork is very nice. You got the big TV. The TVs in the rooms are huge. So that's very, very cool. It doesn't have the YouTube, the Netflix, or anything like that. But it does have the standard channels, the international channels there as well. So you've got the movie channels and all that. You've got the Malaysian plug here. You've got your tea and coffee making facilities here. You've got your kettle there, as well as your jug for the water in the bathroom. I'll show you soon, and as well as a fridge. Very nice. Luggage storage here as well. That there is the superior room. We're going to come through to the bathroom. You've got the full body mirror here, very nice. And coming through, you've got your basin here with the big mirror. You've got another international plug here as well as the amenities and the face washes, liquid soap, body lotion there. This is the filtered water I'm talking about, that you fill that with that jug. So this will be your water if you want to fill up that water bottle. It's very nice. I have tried it. You got your rain shower here, as well as your normal shower, and then you've got your shampoo and body wash there. And then behind the door here, we've got our toilet, which has the handheld bidet, as well as the royal throne there, and then all of your towels and your hand towels and all that side of stuff there. And I absolutely love all the branding and everything. So everything actually says Mercure Trion, Mercure KL Trion. Very, very nice. Yeah, for a base standard room category for the price of this, it is a very good option. But obviously, if you're going to be a gold, platinum, or diamond member, there is definitely chances to get those upgrades to the privilege and also the suite rooms. Welcome to the privilege room here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. This here is our second room category, coming in after the superior. Kicking off with the bathroom, you've got again your tap water here, your water that is filtered through. You have the liquid soap, body lotion there, as well as some face washes and amenities there. You've got the big mirror here, as well as the international plug there. And in your shower, you have the rain shower, of course, as well as the normal shower. You got the shampoo and body wash, and then you've got your toilet here with the handheld bidet there. Very nice. And all your towels and hand towels there. International plug here on the right in the bathroom. And then coming through to the main bedroom, you've got the big king bed. Some lovely artwork here on the wall as well. You've got the international plug on the left of the bed, two USB outputs there. And then in here, you're going to have your cupboard, which has the safety deposit box, hairdryer, iron and ironing board, as well as the slippers. Very nice. Very, very cool design. King bed, 4 fluffy pillows, big TV, luggage storage there, Malaysian plug here, And then you've got the Nespresso coffee machine, as well as the tea making facilities there, kettle, and the jug for your water. Fridge there, gorgeous views again, Kuala Lumpur city centre. And you also have the sofa bed here as well as the 2 Malaysian plugs on the right side of the bed here. Telephone there as well. Very, very nice. That there is your privilege room here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. Very, very nice. Hey guys, just going to show you this one. This is a privilege twin room. Now, the difference between the privilege standard and this one is it actually has the 2 single beds. Everything else is the same, but it also has the desk. So if you're booking in a twin here, you're going to get the desk, and you also get a little bit bigger bathroom as well. So as you can see, you've got a bit more space in here. So just a little tip, if you are going to book the privilege twin, you are going to have a bit more space for your bathroom in here where everybody can shower in there. And then you've got the desk, the working desk here, as well as the 2 twin beds. Welcome to the highest room category. This is our family suite. And what makes it a family suite is it has the 2 single beds here in the living room. We've got the power on the right side of the bed here, which has your international plug, as well as your standard Malaysian one. You've got the 2 single beds there. And then we have another Malaysian plug on the left side of the bed there. As you can see, very similar to my superior suite. You've got the big TV there. You've got your tea and coffee making facilities here, as well as a coffee machine with the coffee pods. Very nice. You've got the water jug here, which can be filled up in the bathroom. And then you've got a Malaysian plug there as well. Very, very cool. Luggage storage here, as well as here you've got a cupboard, which has the hanging space here, and then you've got your slippers down below. Very nice. And let's see what else. Let's check out the bathroom. So you've got 2 bathrooms in here. This is your first one, which has the rain shower as well as the standard. And then behind here, you do have your royal throne as well as the handheld bidet and all of your hand towels and towels there. Then you've got the mirror here, lovely basin with the all your cups here and all your amenities in here. You've got the body lotion and body soap there, as well as the international power plug there in the bathroom and the face washers. Coming through to the king room, you've got the big full body mirror here, and then you've got the big king bed there. Same as my room, power points on the left side here with the international plug, as well as the 2 USB and the Malaysian. And then on the right side of the bed, we have the 2 Malaysian power plugs there as well. You've got the daybed sofa there, and of course again the lovely view of the Kuala Lumpur city centre. You've got a fridge down here in this one, and some tea and coffee making facilities there. Another big TV and chair there for working, as well as the luggage storage there. And in regards to the bathroom coming through, firstly we've got a cupboard here, which has your safety deposit box, hairdryer, iron and ironing board, as well as some more slippers. Very, very nice. We then have in here our family suite bathroom, which has the, again, mirror, vanity basin there. You've got a bathtub in here, as well as the rain shower. And of course in here, you've got the body wash, as well as the shampoo there. And over here, your royal throne with the handheld bidet. Very, very nice. That there is your family suite here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. And that is very, very nice. This room's available for booking directly with the hotel, only because they have only a few rooms available. Welcome to the gym on the 54th floor. Absolutely amazing views here. Very cool. Open from 7 till 10 every single day. And the pool is also just out here, which I'll show you in a second. But check out this amazing view from your gym here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. Very, very nice. Probably the absolute best view so far we've had for any gym on the tour. 7 to 10 every single day. You can come and enjoy this and check that out. That there is the second tallest building in the world. right here in Kuala Lumpur. Petronas Towers over here as well. Very, very nice. And this here is the swimming pool here. 54th floor, absolutely gorgeous, open from 7 to 7 every single day, with absolutely incredible views of the Kuala Lumpur city centre and the second tallest building in the world right there. Very, very nice pool. The Mirror restaurant is open all day from 11 AM until 11 PM. And now we go check out the buffet breakfast, which is open from 6:30 till 10:30. Hot food station kicking off with some lovely spring rolls. We've got the baked beans here. We've got like the hash browns. We've got the chicken sausages there, and you've got your mixed vegetables, and then you've got your potato wedges. Very nice. You've got some fried noodle here. You've got some chicken dish here, sambal, and the nasi minyak, which is some rice there on offer. Got a noodle selection here, as well as some assorted vegetables, and you've got the noodles here. We can get the chicken soup made up here, and then we have some more dishes here, some curries, some prata there, some breads, and with vegetable curry, and then oh well, looks good. And here you've also got your egg station, so you can get your fried eggs, your omelets, and your hard boiled. You can make your own salad, and then we've got all our salad dressings here. Very nice. Cheeses on offer. Great. A lot of cheeses there. You've got some crackers and nuts, as well as the porridge, and also your condiments here. Some yogurts here on offer, as well as some assorted cuts, fruits, or a lovely pineapple there. Very, very nice. Some yogurts and some more fruit there. Got some cereal offer here, Honey Star, Cocoa Crunch, and cornflakes. And then juices are very nice. We've got some mango juice, green guava juice, and orange juice, and this does rotate. So we have coffee on offer here as well. We get espresso, Americano, cafe latte. Your breads on offer here. Lovely selection of breads here. You've got your butter there, toaster, and then we've got some marble cake, very nice, and croissants. And then over here we've got the spreads for your breads, strawberry jam, orange marmalade, peanut butter, and some pancakes. Very nice. The hotel also offers a shuttle drop-off service. This shuttle service is available 3 times a day at 9:30, 2:30, as well as 4:30. Goes to the LRT and MRT, the TRX MyTown, as well as Sunway Velocity. They also have a lobby lounge called the Crystal Lounge. It's open from 8 AM to 4 PM every single day. And in the evening, from 4 PM on through until 10 PM, it transforms into a bar called Positive Vibes. A very cool place you can come and redeem your welcome drink. That's all for here at the Mercure Kuala Lumpur Trion. Until next time, it's Reggie out.